Rain Bermudez is a musician living in New York and is an important go-to percussionist for many established performers. Day in the Life follows him as he prepares for an important performance in an iconic Manhattan nightclub.
I'm from the capital of Guatemala, called Guatemala City. Was raised in Honduras, coming from a good household, you know. Can't say that we had it good, but the morals were taught and, you know, just work hard and everything will pay off.
Being a working musician in New York requires stores of dedication and self-motivation, originating in a love for what one does.
I really didn't discover my passion, my calling in life until probably about 21. And for some odd reason, music became my salvation. Every trade needs tools. In my case, is, you know, strings or, you know, skins for my drums or drumsticks, or, you know, in this case we got a drum strap. I mean, they come and go, man. I hit so heavy sometimes it's like I just rip right through my straps and just have to carry my drum and be creative. People like that though. Tonight it's just me going to, you know, the world famous Marquee Club in New York City on 27th and 10th. And basically what I'm going to be doing is just bringing world sounds, percussion, djembes, congas, just adding an element to what the DJ is playing and just take it to another level, you know. This is the one, this is it. The Guinea drum. Shout outs to Africa. Yeah, man.
9 hours to go. Rain prepares for tonight's performance at New York's famed Marquee Club, located in the heart of the nightlife.
Those that know, Guinea drums, Senegal drums are very distinct. I mean, you can get a djembe, but if you want a tone, if you want a sound that's gonna resonate, you gotta get a Senegal or Guinea drum. You got to. See, this is what you see before you right now, and then tonight it's gonna look so easy. You know, if you don't believe in church, that's whatever, man. But I'm talking about the experience. You know, the bonding of spirituality and life through music. You know, I guess I'm just a messenger, and I get to do that. I get to express that tonight, man. Can't wait.
I look at life in dimensions, and you know, adding percussion on top of the DJ and on top of amazing music is just, you know, it's completely a dimensional experience. Rain is a dominating force on the dance floor. The guy has boundless energy. I mean, he can become part of any song seamlessly. His rhythmic energy is crazy. His interaction with the crowd is, you know, it's infectious. That's really the best way to describe Rain and his ability to rock the crowd. It's infectious energy. Rain is performed all over the world. You know, we've been out to the Middle East together. You know, all over Europe, all over the United States. I mean, the guys perform with Oprah and Stevie Wonder. This is the best of the best. This is some of the most, you know, the most top tier talent that you're gonna find in the business.
Music is love. Music can stop wars. Music can move mountains. Music can even make the deaf hear. Really, it's just, who's the messenger? It's just a beautiful thing to see people dance, you know, and express themselves. And I'm happy doing it. That's the reason why I do it, to set people's souls free. My name is Rain Bermudez, and I'm a percussionist.
We're the sound of a new generation.
Yeah.
We are the sound of our generation. We are the sound of the new generation. Absolutely. A generation of young global citizens that are going to be lifted up through music. It's really that simple.
Manhattan-bound C trains will make express stops from Canal Street to 1.
Like most New York musicians, Rain must appear at soundcheck with his instruments. He has to also tell the person in charge that he will be shooting his performance for this film.
Chamber Street, also known as World Trade Center and Park Place. Transfers are available for the 2, 3, A, E.
Northbound D train, VLC line, 34th Street Penn Station is expected. So do we have access anyway?
Right. Well, I've had it. I went.
Rain has just been told he is not allowed to film his performance for inclusion in this film. This is a potential disaster.
So what are you thinking about?
How to get it, how tonight's gonna go.
Huh?
How tonight's gonna go.
Do we have full media access tonight?
Oh man, yeah. If it isn't weather's way, man. Just how are we gonna make it happen is the question.
Stay on the light side, man. And your thoughts.
Absolutely.
No
Only way.
dark siding on that.
Only way.
So
It's gonna be success.
plan A is going to try to get, the fallback is to try to get somebody that's at the party to shoot it with an iPhone.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's plan B.
Yeah.
It's pretty doable.
I'm pretty sure there's gonna be someone that can help, that can make it possible. I believe it.
A lot of time and effort has gone into making tonight a success. He is now processing the news.
Yeah. You know what? This is the nightlife. This is what dreams are made of, so I'm pretty sure that happened. So
It's 9 o'clock.
and I gotta
Preparations are being made to smuggle a camera into the marquee so Rain's performance can be filmed for this documentary.
Nah, it's an exclusive private event. They close the place down on a Saturday night. It is like guest list only. And I know that if we do not meet at 11 o'clock and I go in there, you know there's going to be problems at the door. That's the kind of vibe it is. Alright, 10:45. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Operation in the day, in the life of, whatever you want to call it, is in full effect.
It's 10:33 on 23rd and 6th. Temperatures are in the teens. A bank's ATM lobby affords some shelter while Rain waits. If Rain is late, it affects his performance. A lot of time and effort has gone into making tonight a success. To arrive late undercuts this. There is also the question of whether Rain's friend shows up at all, which at 10:49 does not look hopeful. $10:55, 5 minutes to go. Yet another call to the friend goes directly to voicemail. It's 0 hour out in front of the marquee, and the friend is a no-show. This is a disaster. Although late, Rain's friend finally arrives.
Let's go, brother.
And the camera operation is in full effect.
Hold on, I'll walk you guys in. I'll show you.